Artemi Panarin from up high, and he hears it from the crowd and fires, glancing off the glove of Elvis Merzlikins. Panarin again. 2 shots. Panarin carries in. He hears it from the crowd. Panarin spins, turns, puck knocked away. Here, Nyquist moving in, drops it there for Jake Bean. Already 10 shot attempts. We've yet to hit the 10-minute mark. Panarin down the wing. Artemi Panarin spins, turns, his shot is blocked. Werenski right there. Panarin gets it back. A centering pass off into the corner for Kakko. Panarin poised and ready. Fox, Panarin scores.
That's Artemi Panarin, the Blue Jackets. Faithful not happy about that. Artemi's had a slower start to the season than expected. He's a guy that wants more. And what a play by Kakko at the line there. And then the impressive plays continue up the ice as Strome gets that puck to the middle. And as it gets to the middle, it's that second wave of attack. And that's what they had a problem with last time. They want their back checkers back there to pick up that player in Fox, that defenseman up in the play, and there he's able to make that pass across. And no chance for Merzlikins. Tied up.
Back to gather it up is Chinakhov. Panarin now for the Rangers.
They get up with the play, and this is where they had trouble last game against the Rangers. This is what they want to identify. To play on the wall, that's a defenseman. Now, this stops right here. We got 2 guys on the back check, and you can see where Fox is. He's the 3rd guy high. Bayreuther's directing traffic, and as this rolls ahead, you can see there he's just a little too out of reach in the middle of the ice, and Fox think he's going to shoot that puck there, and he makes a really nice pass. Pulls it in, gets it across, and Artemi Panarin with the wave to the fans. Very subtle wave there. But yeah, those boos, you think they don't affect you, but you could tell Artemi early. He was fighting the puck a little bit. And he's back here at Nationwide Arena in front of his old fans, and the Blue Jackets fan base, nothing gets by them.
No.
And they're happy to be here to let them know exactly how they feel. Great player for the Jackets.
Go. But you're right. On those deflections, he's right there.
First time in front of the net.
Yeah. Here, Panarin from the slot. 2 quick goals, and the Rangers have their first lead. Artemi Panarin with his 2nd of the night.
Just mismanagement down in the D zone, and Panarin, that's a heck of a shot. I mean, he gets that puck, curls around the defenseman, and 2 quick goals for the Rangers here as they stop up. A little too much time and space, and where's Elvis going as he tries to make that play? Doesn't have time to collect himself or his stick, and Artemi Panarin identifies that, waits out Bean, and then wow, that is top shelf over Merzlikins. You see how he's holding his stick? He's still not collected.
Panarin. Kreider camped right where he was in New York and where he is on power plays. But Elvis with an outstanding stop in that for Kakko. Kreider lurking in front. Artemi Panarin down the wing. Up high, Trouba, one-timer, and Elvis just steers it to the corner. Panarin lurking top of the circle, gets it, cannot control it. Hears it from the crowd. Trouba.
You can just feel it as the Rangers get set up. They're trying to get these pucks over to. Done a nice job to start the season, but he's got 4 of those against the Columbus Blue Jackets. So disappointing here. The Blue Jackets know they can play better, and that's why they're not happy at all.
So the Blue Jackets, for the first time this season, dropped 2 straight. The Rangers have now won 3 straight on the road. 5-3 the final.